Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Claudia here, back at it again with another video. I am giving you cheetah girl vibes over here. And it's all because of the collection. You guessed it, Karrueche just came back at it again with a collab with Colourpop. She collabed with them for her fourth. She collabed with them for her. She collabed with Colourpop for the fourth time. She came out this time with a collection called Brown Sugar, and I am here for it. It is in this like vintage 80s 90s logo, and I just think it's so cute. The packaging is so cute. As soon as I heard the launch, I instantly got taken back into like 2002 with the movie Brown Sugar with Sanaa Lathan and Taye Diggs, and I just was like, just give me life. I'm living vicariously through this. Rip your hips to it. Damn, baby. Now, I did purchase these a while ago. I think I spent about $55. It was 60 something and some change, but I think I got a $7 coupon. I was gonna purchase their PR package, but that was a whole $10 just for the PR package. No, I just went ahead and bought it without like how you would get it if you were on their PR list. And so it came with 4 of her lipsticks, 2 of her liquid lip glosses, as well as other things, which will be in another video. This video is specifically for the lip portion of her collection. If you'd like to see the swatches and like a quick like demo on me lips of these colors, please stay tuned. But without further ado, here comes the plug. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're new here, hi home skillet biscuit. I have the colors Brick, Cinnamon, Chocolater, and Butter. I am not going to like Butter. Butter is this like crazy like pinky nude or even like peachy nude, and I'm scared of nudes. I don't think they suit us all, but we shall see. First, let's talk about the packaging of her 4 liquid lipsticks. This is the packaging, and I love it. It's like this cutesy, dainty, I would say almost like a metallic rose gold with stars on it and Colourpop's logo. I never really explored in like the lipstick department. I'm more of like a basic girl, and I like my lip glosses, and even with that, like I can't use everything on the market. I have very sensitive skin and very sensitive lips. You put anything on my lips, it can like scar them or anything, so I try to be careful, but it's been better lately. Cross my fingers. As always with lipsticks, you should go in with a lip liner. Now I know MAC has their, you know, famous lip liner in the color Chestnut, but a dupe that I found in the drugstore is NYX's lip liner in the color Espresso, and it works just fine, and it's definitely much cheaper. Okay.
Let me tell you about the girl, maybe I should. I met her in fit, and her name was Precious. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes off the shade. Blood burgundy, the way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I can kiss her when I'm kissing. Lord, I miss her, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off love, I don't know how to feel me now. Brown sugar, I want something now, brown sugar. I want something now, brown sugar. to me. You love me right down to my knees. And whatever you let me hit, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.